Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about product development process and effective design management. In order to stay successful in the face of maturing products, companies have to obtain new ones by carefully executed new product development process. Of thousands of products entering the process, only a handful reach the market. Therefore, it is of a crucial importance to understand consumers, markets, and competitors in order to develop products that deliver superior value to customers. We will now peep into the 8 major steps in the new product development process. These steps are followed in a procedure. The first being idea generation, then idea screening, concept development and testing, marketing strategy development, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and commercialization. Firstly, let's talk about idea generation. The new product development process starts with idea generation. Idea generation refers to the systematic search for new product ideas. Two sources of new ideas can be identified as internal sources, that is research and development, and contribution from employees, and external sources like distributors, suppliers, competitors, and most importantly, customers. The next step is idea screening. Simply, idea screening means nothing else than filtering the ideas to pick out good ones. In other words, all ideas generated are screened to spot good ones and drop poor ones as soon as possible. Next in the process is concept development and testing. Let's understand concept development with an example. Imagine a car manufacturer that has developed an all-electric car. The marketer asks, task is to develop this new product into alternative product concepts so that the company can find out how attractive each concept is to customers and choose the best one possible product concepts for this electric car could be. 1. An affordably priced mid-size car designed as a second family car to be used around town for visiting friends and doing shopping. 2. A mid-priced sporty compact car appealing to young singles and couples. 3. A high-end mid-size utility vehicle appealing to those who like the space SUVs. Provide but also want an economical car. As you can see, these concepts need to be quite precise in order to be meaningful. In the next sub-stage, each concept is tested. New product concepts, such as those we just talked about, need to be tested with groups of target consumers. The concepts can be presented to consumer either symbolically or physically. The next step in the new product development process is the marketing strategy development. When a promising concept has been developed and tested, it is time to design an initial marketing strategy for the new product based on the product concept for introducing this new product to the market. The marketing strategy statement consists of 3 parts and should be formulated carefully. First, a description of the target market, the planned value proposition, and the sales, market share, and profit goals for the first few years. Second, an outline of the product, planned price, distribution and marketing budget for the first. And third, the planned long-term sales, profit goals, and the marketing mix strategy. Next comes the business analysis. Once decided upon a product concept and marketing strategy, management can evaluate the business attractiveness of the proposed new product. The fifth step in the new product development process involves a review of the sales, costs, and profit projections for the new product to find out whether these factors satisfy the company objectives. If they do, the product can be moved on the product development stage. If the product concept passes the business test, it must be developed into a physical product to ensure that the product idea can be turned into a workable market offering. This stage is the stage of product development. And the last stage before commercialization in the new product development process is test marketing. In this stage of the new product development process, the product and its proposed marketing program are tested in realistic marketing settings. It allows the company to test the product and its entire marketing program, including targeting and positioning strategy, advertising, distributions, packaging, etc., before the full investment is made. Now, you must have understood that test marketing has given management the information needed to make the final decision, that is to launch or not to launch the new product. The final stage in the new product development process is commercialization. Commercialization means nothing else than introducing a new product into the market. At this point, the highest costs are incurred. The company may need to build or rent a manufacturing facility. Large amounts may be spent on advertising, sales promotion, and other marketing efforts in the first year. Some factors like introduction timing and introduction place must be considered before the product is commercialized. So friends, I hope you are stepping up the ladder and brushing up your managing skills with our discussion. See you next time. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye-bye.